welcome in to another woolly review. So today we have the Yarnsmiths Cotton DK. 121 different colours with this. If you can't find your colour, there is something desperately wrong. They are all solids. There's the end. These are all 100% cotton, 50 grams, 106 metres, 116 yards, and they recommend a 4mm hook, and so I'll be using Beanie because she is a 4mm. So Beanie is helping us out today. Okay, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, oops, split, that was my fault, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. And I'm going to do a row of single crochet, well, 2 rows of single crochet. Now this doesn't feel overly bad. It actually feels a little bit more like a cotton blend. There's a, why am I doing a half double? Oh my gosh. It actually feels like a cotton blend rather than 100% cotton. It's quite nice and soft, really. More like, I've done it again, more like a wearable cotton than a housewear cotton. So today I am using the colour black, but we're not here to judge the colour. We are here to judge entirely the cotton in hand. And that's what we're going to do. I will give you an honest review from my opinion. It doesn't mean that you're not entitled to one. We are all different peoples. If I like something, you might not, and vice versa. So there we have our first single row. We're going to do one more. The cheapest place I have found this is at Wool Warehouse for £1.20. Everything with regard to details on this cotton will be linked down below the video in the description. That will be the washing instructions, the details about the cotton from its official source. I don't mean sauce like tomato sauce, okay? Or hollandaise sauce, none of that. Okay, and we're not here to judge my lack of crochet skills. We are just purely here to pass judgment over the yarn that is being used today. So we have our 2 singles. So now I'm going to do 2 rows of half double crochet. But it's not feeling too bad at all. Although I am getting cramp, which is not good. As expected, no elasticity, no stretch in there at all, which is the norm for 100% cotton. But 121 colours, that's a heck of a lot. And I know it's not part of the review, but I do like the ball band. There is no plastic involved in the ball band whatsoever, which pleases me quite a bit, I have to say. The majority of ball bands that you find have a plastic coating on them. I prefer the pure paper. try and stay away from as much plastic as possible. I didn't go in that last one. Never mind. We're not here to judge the crochet skills or lack of, okay? We're not. Give me a second. Oh. Okay. Okay. So this is our second row of half doubles. Now I know I have black here, and black isn't always the best to see stitches or what you're doing, so I can only apologize. This is the color that I have in this particular one, so this is the one that I am judging. Judgy. And one more, and then we are going to do two rows of double crochet, and this is all on the way to go and see the frog. I've got to say, it's not bad to use. I'm not exactly feeling it in my fingers as I'm passing the cotton over the hook. It's not bad at all. Let's go in. And then we do one last row before we see the frog. Ouch. Oh my gosh. I'm so bad today with my cramp. And the last one. Thank you very much, Miss Beanie. Appreciate the help. Thank you very much. So here it is. Even for black, that's pretty good stitch definition right there. That's not bad at all. It feels rather nice, I would say. Most definitely that is a clothing cotton. I'm going to push to actually say this almost feels like brushed cotton. That's quite nice. Okay, so Mr. Frog, come out for a walk. Let's see what's going on today, huh? What do you mean you want to get on your moped? Oh dear. Okay, go for it. Look at the kink. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of kink. Oh dear. Oh, that's a lot of kink. Well, my. Okay. Let's just get this all wound back up so it can have its belt back on. And then I shall judge. I shall judge. So, would I turn my back on it completely? Oh, heck no. Would I be really disappointed if this was the last thing in the shop, but I so desperately needed cotton? No, I definitely would not be disappointed. Would it be in my top 10? Well, I think it probably would. I mean, 121 colours, £1.20 for the 50 grams, aka, what was it, 106 metres? I think that's pretty good. I think that's more than doable. Would it be in my top 3? I know what is in my top 3. Would it be up there? Quite honestly, yes, I think it would. Yes, I think it would. Would it be one of the first that I go looking for? Let's be honest. I think it probably would. I would go looking for this. I think it is good enough to be a 5 out of 5 Ladybirds. Personally speaking, obviously you have your own opinion. If you have used this, what do you think of it? If you let me know in the comments below, any good comment will get pinned. Whether you liked or disliked, doesn't matter. You can still get pinned if the detailing is good. But would you give it a go if you haven't? I quite like it. It's not bad at all. 121 colours, £1.20. I would say that was a bargain. So let me know, and hopefully I will see you again next week. Take care. Bye-bye.